Hi, my name is Maria Herrera. I am an occupational therapy assistant student here at Navarro College. So today we're going to be doing an assessment, and I'm going to assess your depth perception. So depth perception gives you the ability to determine the distance between objects in your environment, such as reaching for a gallon of milk in the refrigerator. If you have an impairment, then you may overshoot or undershoot whenever you are trying to grasp the milk from the refrigerator. Also, impaired depth perception can make you lose the ability to know the difference in depth, like in a flight of stairs or a curve. This can be a safety issue and can affect function in your ADLs, okay? What we're going to do is I'm going to do an assessment, and it's a functional test observation. I'm going to have you do a few activities, and I'm just going to observe the way you do them to determine if you have an impairment in your in-depth perception, okay? So first we're going to walk over here. Alrighty. So first I am going to place the pen in front of you, and I would like for you to grasp it. Okay, so now I am going to hold a pen, and I want you to grasp it from my hand. Okay, next what I'm going to have you do is I want you to pour some water into that cup. Okay. And then the last thing that I'm going to have you do is I am going to have you step on the stool. And this is going to be, I'm going to have you step on the stool to see if you have any impairments. Okay, perfect. So this is the functional test observation scoring sheet. It's not standardized, so there's not an actual scoring sheet. So what I did is I put if she was able to grasp a pen. If she was, then it would be intact, which she was not able to grasp the pen, so I would check not intact. She was not able to grasp the pen from the therapist, so I would check not intact. Pouring water into a glass, she was not able to do that, so I would check not intact. And then stepping on the step stool, she was not able to do so, so that would be not intact. Alrighty, so next we're going to go ahead and start our treatment. If you want to walk over here. The treatment plan that I am going to do today is a restorative approach. So I'm going to have you use a dishwasher and place the cups into the dishwasher, okay? So with this approach, you want to provide tactile guiding during activities such as feeling for the depth, feeling for the size, and feeling the distance of things, okay? And this is going to avoid overshooting or undershooting whenever you are doing functional activities, okay? So if you can go ahead and feel the depth and the distance and the size. Okay. And then you can go ahead and place the cups into the dishwasher. Do one last thing. I'm going to have you sit in the wheelchair, and I want you to feel the depth of the wheelchair, so that way you can determine how far you actually need to sit. If you have an impairment, then you can miss the seat and fall. And I also want you to feel for the armrest, feel the size of it, feel the depth of it, and the distance on how far back you need to go, so that way whenever you are sitting down, you can estimate on where you need to put your hands to sit down properly without missing the chair, okay? So this concludes our treatment. Thank you.